Good evening, friends. So, today I bought one thing. So, let's have a look on this. I bought this. This is the cordless technology. You see, this is German company. Move 20.4 volt because I did not know anything about this. So I asked the shopkeeper, which one is the best one. Then he said me this. This is the from the German company, and he was saying you have to take more powerful. So this is more powerful because 20.4 volts. And let's see what is this. BHN 20110 200 to 240 volt, 50 to 60 hertz, and made in China. I was talking with this issue with the shopkeeper, that then he was saying that although this is a German company, but all the products are made in China. So this one will also be fabricated in China. Okay, so I hope that they maintain the quality of this. So I'm going to open this. We have open in the shop because he was open. I asked him to open in the shop just to have a look on the about the product, what they are going to provide me. The price is 70 euro. 70, yeah, 70 euro. So this one I got, and this one, then I will have the booklets. Okay. Yeah, booklets and this. Okay. Good. The weight, it has some weight. I don't know, it will have how much weight. Weight, where it is written weight. You can find the names in different. Move 20.4 volts. You can see the names in different language. Okay. The filtration, triple filtration, high airflow system with powerful motor and optimized airflow, ergonomic handling, cordless washable filter, because this one also the shopkeeper told me that then this is the washable filter, ultralight bolt, because cordless technology means he has told me that the filter is washable. So only the problem which he told me this, um, about charging. He told me for charging is you have to charge it for um, 12 hours, but you will get only 12 to 15 minutes for use. Means you have to leave overnight this connecting with the electricity, and next day you can use it for 12 minutes or 15 minutes for sucking all the whatever dust you have in your house. So uh, he has open here, so I'm going to open this. Let's see, to show you some more thing. It's very easy. I think you have to put this, and you can, by pushing this, you can open this. So how to use both hand. See, I open this. Now we can take out this. How to use both hand. And here the filter. So filter is here. Okay, in the next video I make whole how to use this. So right now this is okay. Thank you. Bye bye.